schema builder when we have to go through Lightning UI. And then we have this auto layout. We learned what is caching, how we can disable Salesforce caching. So we disabled while going into such session setting. Also, we saw what is object manager. I'm just recalling whatever we learned, how we can navigate to objects from object manager. Okay, how we can quick search what is custom object, what is custom object and what are their namespaces. Also, we saw how we can create the object over there. Okay, how we can get into. Okay, so that those were also we saw like how we can. So we did not saw how we can assign console app to the user. Okay, so this was remaining. So I will share with you guys. Okay, so start sharing my browser. Okay, so this is our day 15 slide. This is our day 14 slide. Okay. So let's say we want to search for any user. So here you can see these many users are there. You can go on to particular users, but like if you are frequent to, if you know, like you are working on to that some frequent user, you can directly search that user. So if you will in the quick search, if you will do Rajat Singh, it will just show all the result wherever the Rajat Singh will be there. So wherever it will be used, so that can be utilized. So what we did in the setup, we went into setup, we searched Rajat Singh. So it will search all the spaces wherever Rajat Singh will be used. So here in the it found in the all the result, it found like there is this Rajat Singh. So we can just go here. Okay, and then we can see for this particular user what is the profile which is assigned. So this particular user is acting as system administrator. So here, if you are into uh, your space, and if you went to the system administrator profile, and if you are seeing the different UI, let me know, because we learned like we have this what we say, different UI. Like there is this custom which is already there, and then we just saw like how we can just keep it in this way. Like this is the new enhanced uh, view. So if you're not seeing this enhanced view, then we will have to do some setting. But I think last time we did that setting. So if you will go into user management setting, here you have this enhanced profile user interface. So if you will disable this, and if you'll go into profiles, okay, so in the profiles, when you will go, you will see the list wave of all the profiles. Okay, so let's say we were into users, and in the user, we had to see this profile. Okay, so now you see how the view is. It's very confusing, right? And you don't have the search button also on the top. So what we can do is, again, we have to go into this user management setting and we have to enable it. So today what we are doing is I just wanted to show, like, you see these many apps are there. Okay. So let's go to profile. You see this particular user is having access of these many apps. Okay. So when you will go into profile, sorry, let's go to users. And when you go to Rajat user, and when you'll go to this profile, in this profile, you see there is this enhanced view. So in this enhanced view, when you click on this assigned tab, you will be able to see what all apps this user can access. So you can see this all tabs, analytics, app launcher, board solution, content, sales. Like you see, there is the sales, marketing. There should be marketing. This all are there. Okay, but still, yeah, like you see, sample console. This it don't have permission to this. So this particular role is not able to see that. So if you want to assign a particular application access to this profile, what you can do is you can just edit it and you can just assign this console, right? This is console. This is not a default, of course. Sales is a default. So you can see sales is a default. So you will always seeing the sales. So if you will change it, marketing or something, let's say you want to change it to marketing, you are a marketing manager or someone, then yours will be seeing. If you save it, this whole will just get reloaded. And where is our default? Yeah, marketing. Let's go to home. What happened? That is the default. So default will, when you log in, you will see the default one. So even if it is a sales right now, once you log in, I think you will see this marketing as a default. One more thing which you can see now is sample console. So earlier you may have noticed the sample console was not there. So this sample console, we just assigned it. Like we just went there and we just assigned the sample console. So you can do one thing, you can go ahead and assign a user a profile to a permission to the sample console and see if it is reflecting here or not. And then after we will see what is the sample console.
Rajat bhai, can you do once more the steps?
Okay, so what I was saying is you go to setup.
Okay.
So what we are doing in this exercise is user will not have permission to all the application. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So as a system administrator, you can change those permission and you can assign that app permission to the user. So what I did, I just went to the users and my particular Rajat Singh user. So instead of clicking this and going, I said, suppose I forgot and I just click this Rajat Singh. So this, it will, what it will do, Salesforce, it will find Rajat Singh in all over the spaces wherever Rajat Singh is used. So it searches the approval post template, approval process, this. Somewhere in the users, it found the result. So you can just click this. It is not the only way to go to users, but I'm just telling you guys, like this way also you can go to, you can search things. Like even if it won't be, even if it is not there into, like you see when you're doing this manager, you're seeing like these things are indexed. So that is what is happening? You are getting the quick suggestion whenever you're doing manager. These are set like, you see, quick suggestion. So you are getting this quick suggestion.
Hmm.
But for Rajat Singh, when you will search Rajat Singh, you will not get quick suggestion because it is not finding in this space. It is not finding. Okay. So once you will click on this, what it will do, it will search all the space of your org, and then it will land you wherever that Rajat Singh is utilized. So once you will land onto Rajat Singh, you'll check what is the profile, like whether that particular profile, what all applications are assigned to that profile. So when you click on this assigned app, you will see these many applications are assigned. So some application like there was this service console, sorry, sample console. So this sample console was not assigned. So what I did, I just clicked on this edit, and I pressed, I just clicked on this checkbox and I saved it. So after saving, we saw like in this, we got that menu, like we got the sample console.
Okay.
Okay, so you can do that and let me know if you are stuck in this, then we'll go ahead.
I'm on that page. That is apps page, assigned apps, assigned connected apps.
So in the
Clicked on
assigned app,
these.
can you see whether in this, sorry, we have the sample console. In the sample console, you may have be seeing this. This is not checked for you, Rahul.
No, I'm on not. I'm not on this page. I'm on this page. It's showing assigned apps, assigned connected apps, apps permission, object settings, apps class access. So I need to click on any of this item.
So you went through the users, right? In the
Yeah,
user,
user. Yeah, search with Rahul Singh.
you clicked Rajat Singh,
Yeah,
like Rahul Singh, and in
yeah,
this you went through the profile, right?
yeah. This one. Yeah, and I clicked on system administrator.
Yeah. So after you will land
Yeah,
on,
this page. Yeah, on this page.
you're you are seeing the same UI, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So here you will have to click on this assigned apps.
Okay.
So what you are doing, you are assigning the application, a particular application. You can check also what all applications are assigned to the user. Okay, that you can
Some
check.
sample
Yeah.
console checked. It's
Yeah,
not
you can
clicked.
just edit. Yeah, so you can edit. So here you will see right now when it is not checked, the sample console you'll not see. But once you will check and save, you will be able to see sample console.
Yes, I did tell sample console.
Yeah, so once you have done that, yeah, let me know, Rahul, once you finish.
But in my, I can't click on this checkbox. Nothing visible or default option.
You will have to click on this edit, Rahul.
Oh, got it.
Edit button. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, now I can see sample console.
Done, right?
Yeah.
Just 1 minute. So once you are done, once you'll click on the sample console, that application will get open. Okay.
Mhm.
So what it does, you see here, you can see the accounts. Then you can click OK, and you can work on to like you see, you can work on the different tabs. So that's what this does. Okay. So once you will click on that, you see it just opened into next tab. So you can work being in the same browser. You don't have to go to next tab. Here only in Salesforce, you can work into different tabs. Okay. You can select the cases, accounts, leads here. Okay. And in this, once you'll click on this, you see it opens into next tab. So suppose you in the leads, you are into the leads. Okay. Okay, let's see. What is the standard Salesforce or console URL? Here you can give some console URL also, which will just take you to the different page. But all the contacts you have, you see here. And if you are working on the contacts, suppose, so you have to work on to multiple contacts. What you can do is, if you click on this contact, see this just opens here into this contacts. Then if you want to work on to this, you see. So what is this is, you see, these two contacts belong to Grand Hotels and Resort Limited. Okay. So when you click onto this, what happens? A new tab will get open for that particular account. And in this account, whatever contacts will be there for this account. Okay. Those all will be opening into under this tab. So suppose you are working on you are just checking. Okay. So you have to work on Grand Hotel and Resorts resorts. It is not a company. It is suppose what we say Horeca. So one of the Horeca business, if you're working, and the Horeca business, there are multiple contacts you have. Okay. So, and you want to update some details, or you just want to fill some details. So once you will click on to this, what happens? It will just open that account for you, next tab. And in that account, what all details will be there? You see this is the account, and you can see the details of that particular account. You see, like these were the opportunity created, these were the cases created. And if you'll click on this contact, it will just open you to the next tab. You got me, know what this console app does,
Yeah.
right? So you can just check out by your own, and if there is anything we can just. So that was the all about assigning the
I
app
think
permission. Yeah.
I think in this I don't have created anything. It's showing no records to display.
These contacts you're not seeing. If you are going into contacts, so here you can go, instead of you can go to account, suppose. So there you'll not see anything maybe, but just check if you have anything into contacts.
Okay. Yeah, it's showing what you can see the same thing.
Yeah. So so Salesforce create some sample data whenever we are creating any account. So these are those, I think. It is just for our understanding purpose how we are. So if you want some action like to delete all at a time, here you can do. You see, click,
So this is
then
not by default. We can delete from our end too.
sorry.
I mean, we can delete this one too from our end.
Yes. Okay. This is your org. You can do whatever you want. You see, delete this too.
Okay.
This is you can delete. This is your organization. You will have all, as a system admin. You will have all the permission. Most of the things Salesforce give permission, but some things uh, they haven't touched exposed. There's the little things only, but yeah. So these are that. Apart from that, let's go with our session. Yeah, creating an app and personalizing Salesforce. Okay, so how can we create an app? So app, so you understood like, so these are what? These are kind of app only, no? You see, let's go to center. Sales. So this account is nothing but an application we are saying, right? So
Hmm.
with this application, you can see these many details. These are all reports and tools and everything. So if you have to create app like this kind of details, which can say what you can do, just go to setup and you see we when you are just clicking on the setup, you are seeing here, you see build app, right?
Hmm.
So this is where you can create a basic app with just one step and easily extend that app with a click or code. So here when you click on this add app, here it will just show you what you want to create, the name of your application, label and program label. So this label will automatically will come. But this is one way to create. But let's go to setting and we can create from here, you see apps. Okay, and then we have, you see, new apps. Here it is asking what kind of app you want, custom app or console app. We can create custom app. Then we can go to next. Let's say we want to create an application. And let's say our application name will be our organization only. Okay. This is kind of skill advancement. Okay. So you see app label and app name it came. Then here it is asking to insert an image. Okay, so once you click on insert an image, these are the documents you see. Okay, so here we haven't added any document. These are my personal documents. So we haven't added any image to document. So it is not showing us like any documents are not available. So once you click on the search, it will not be there. So what we can do is we'll have to add it to the documents. Okay, just going through this to check what all I have. So are you guys here at the same space where I am?
No, we didn't go on this one.
Just 1 minute. Sorry, I was speaking on mute. So once you will click onto this, so what happens? Like once you'll click on after dashboard, there is this button which shows all the tabs. Once you click onto this, you will have to go to documents. Okay, so here are our documents. Inside the documents, you can see we have this document folder which you are seeing. So when you were uploading the image, you can see like there was this my personal document. So what you can do is you can create a new folder. You can see this folder name as what logo, and then let's give public folder access. So this is for who can access this particular folder. So we don't want other one to just read and write to this. So we'll give it, we will just let it be as a read only access. And this folder we have seen, okay, let it be accessible by all the users, but this all user will be your org only. Okay, and then this folder is accessible by the following user. No, so we are not giving any particular permission, like this folder will be only applicable for this or that. Just we are good with this. Then you have created this folder, and in this folder, let's create a particular document. In this, you can create a document saying logo. Let's say like you want to create a logo, then so here you can see like what all documents you have to create. Okay, like how you can create a document. Here it's what your details are, like document name, document unique name. So this, whenever you will give any document name, it will just finds out if there is any unique name available. So this is for the Salesforce internal purpose. So what it does it, whenever you are defining any document, it will try to create a unique name for it so that it can remember it for the later use, and it just don't have any conflict. So if you are searching any document with that name, at least Salesforce know like there are two different documents with this name, but they have different unique names. Okay, then we have created this logo folder, you see. So let's say this document is the skill, sorry, advancement logo. Okay, then it took right. Then if you want to upload detail here, click save button. Okay, you can just upload here some pictures. So let's say we have this logo from skill advancement. I will share with you guys if you want, so that you can work. Where can I share it? Okay, so this is with this logo, we will create document. So we have added, we'll click on the save button. Okay, now we have created a document. Okay, so once we will go back, there is our application where we were creating, build, create apps. Inside the build, create apps, we were creating the new app, right? Hey, we added it to the new, right? What happened to that? Oh, I think. So skill advancement. Next, then insert the image here. What is happening? I think we haven't given the permission there when we were creating this logo. So what you can do is we will create a new window. We'll open it a new window, and here we will go back again into documents. Where is our documents? This is our documents. And let's open this logo. Edit content searchable. Okay, yeah, that's what we did. Actually, this image should be available external, so that's the reason it was not coming. So now we have selected it, and if we will save it, and let's close this because we have, yeah, now this is opening. Now if we'll close, and if in our application, if we will just insert it, you go bhai, go. This is why is it not showing? Actually, once you will create a document, it should just appear here whenever you're creating any image or anything. We have done the session only. Session setting we have done, right? So, no, I don't have to enable it, man. So you guys also disabled, right? Secured person was caching to me. Yeah, let's remove this setting. So last time, if you remember, so what happens if you have enabled this secure and persistent browser caching? So it just remember things, whatever it's Salesforce is doing, it just remembers things, and you may be seeing. Oh, we'll have to save it down from here. Okay, and then we will have to go back again into build, create, app, new, custom app, announcement, next, cert app. What is happening? Why you are not coming? You are not coming, man. Documents. Okay. And save the document. What all settings we have? Yeah, it is into this folder only, logo folder only. It is externally available image. Okay, we don't need to do it external. Then what is anything else is required for this? Something is wrong. You see, this is the document which we have created. This is the unique name which guys got assigned. So you guys also see if it is working for you, because we have created this folder and we can just save it. This is externally available. We'll save it. Okay, there is this external image. It should be available for creating a new application. App. From here, it is not searching, right? And just I was just checking if we can search from there. But no, you'll have to search from here. So once you will come in here, there is this apps, and here you have create new custom app. Okay, then this next certain image. What? What is happening? No records found due to the following. There are no records of this type. You don't have permission to see any of the records. Okay, you don't have permission to see any of the records. But why? I have permission.
Maybe we have to enable something.
I think so, but you guys see if it is working for you. So you guys have to do one thing. I don't know. It is,
I think the bigger side that notification is coming. Salesforce
sorry.
logo is about the file size of customer custom app logo must be bigger than this.
Smaller than 20 KB.
No,
Okay, so
no.
this could be reason you're saying. Must be smaller than 20 KB. Okay. So if what is the size of this? What is this is some 37 KB. Okay, so that could be reason. कुछ और है क्या हमारे पास छोटा मोटा 30 KB ये भी है आइकन कितने का है ये 12 KB का है लेट्स सी इफ इट इज वर्किंग एक और मैं डॉक्यूमेंट दूसरा क्रिएट करते हैं हम दूसरा क्रिएट करते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट हमारा लेट्स गो एंड क्रिएट another document. These are the documents here. This is the document. Okay, let's create a new document. Skill advancement. That logo. Let's say like it will go to there also only. Then we are saying it is externally available image, and then let's upload this image. Okay, and let's click on the save button. Okay, so this is 12 KB only. Now this should be available for us, right? So what we will do, we will go back again into setup. We will create an app, and while creating the app, we will press new custom app. Let's say this is what it is, and we'll click on insert app. Oh, that was the reason actually. You're able to see, no? Here you see it is
Hmm.
coming.
Hmm.
So once you will click on this, you will be able to create. Okay, and then once you will go on next, then here you have all the available tabs. Okay, so here, like with this new custom app, you can say like what all tabs, like wherever where you want your choose the tabs to include in this custom app. Okay, so let's say we want to include counts. Okay, let's say we want to include, let's say we want to create, let's remove this. Sorry. Home is always will be selected. Okay, so you cannot remove it. So let's say we want to have chatter. Okay, chatter tab to include in this custom app. So we'll include chatter, and then we have this campaign. There should be campaign. So we'll add this campaign. Then we should have leads. Okay, let's add the leads. Then we need to have suppose accounts. Okay, let's add accounts as well. Okay, then what can we do? What else we can add? Okay, let's say like we added. So how we add? Why I'm adding this way? Like suppose you are onto the home page. You are onto home page, and then you have this chatter application. You can just with the chatter application, whoever you are contacting, you can just go and see. So this should be your second tab, and then what all campaigns you are running. So from those campaigns, what all leads you got generated. So from those leads, what all accounts you have created. So after accounts, you may need to see contacts. Okay, so these are the contacts which you may want to see. So we can just add the contacts after that. So you got me know the purpose why I'm just adding it
Hmm.
this way.
Yeah.
And from the contacts, suppose you got uh, some opportunities, like okay, so you can add those opportunities. Then let's say you want to add some ideas as well. Forecast. Okay, let's add these. Let's add some contracts into this. Then orders. Okay, you now with this so what happened, like you the chatter application you just need next to you, so you're able to chat. Then you ran some campaigns, and from those campaigns you got some leads, and you got some lead and you created some accounts, and those accounts you got some contacts, and then opportunities, you got some ideas you forecasted, and then you got contract, and then after that you got orders. Then there could be solution files which got generated. Okay. So, so like we want to add, suppose people, you can add people here. And suppose you want people to be up, you just click on here and you can make after chatter, suppose after chatter, you want people to be here. Okay. You don't want files, let's remove it, suppose. And if you want to have a dashboard or anything, like you want to have a report, suppose you want to create a report, any application, like that you can go. These multiple you can select. I think this we have already discussed. So this you can just remove. Okay. Then you can just go to next. Okay. And here you will have to see if you want to assign it. Okay. So you are working as a system administrator. Okay. So you can just assign it. Just save this application. Now have you seen your application? You can see, right?
Yeah.
I have created this new application. This is how it is. So maybe you can you can do, and you can also create your application this way, and it will just show like this. Okay, just start and I will help you out.
Okay. I'm on this page, app quick start.
फर्स्ट
Hello.
business setup option है.
Hmm? Pradeep, you can also see this page, app quick start, create.
The home page.
Pradeep, you can share your screen. Let me do.
Screen नहीं है भाई.
I'm on this page. I don't know. I need to close this page or need to create on the same page.
फिर से रिव्यू करना वीडियो.
Yeah, where are you guys, Pradeep and Rahul?
I am actually on
I'm on
home
this
page.
page. ये page पे हूँ मैं.
Screen. Yes, I can see. So this is the quick start. So we were not going through this. So what we were doing is we will go down, and from there you have this new button, you see apps, right? New button. After quick start, you have this new button
This one,
in the
right?
apps. Yeah, we clicked on to that. Yeah.
Okay. Custom app.
And you choose, yeah, custom app.
Okay.
From here, yeah. Let me know, Rahul, if you are stuck. Just try here. You guys should figure it out. Otherwise, I'm here.
Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Certain.
I'm actually getting confused with all the options. Can you please share this video? We'll see and practice how this can be done.
Can you share your screen if you're stuck anywhere, Pradeep? Then we'll go ahead. I will share the video for sure. But yeah, we can see
Screen,
where.
screen I cannot share because I'm using through mobile actually. Screen still this Microsoft some error is going on, so I'm not able to log into Teams.
Okay, okay, okay. What about you, Rahul? I will share this video for sure. Yeah, I will upload it. So basically, what we did is there are so we were creating an app. Okay. So with that app, what we were doing is you can see my app. So this is the logo you see when I'm in my application. You can see this is the logo.
Yeah.
So these are other apps. Okay. This is sales, marketing, sample console, and all. So when you are in sales, you can see these are all the default values which are coming. So this is what we have created, skill advancement. So when we are going on to this skill advancement, here you can see this app. Here you can see we have this home chatter which we have created. So with this app, we wanted to have these tabs. We have these tabs, and this is how it is seen. Okay. So to create it, what we did, we went to setup. Here it is saying when you went to setup, you see it is showing you all the app here on the top.
Mm.
Okay, so these are the quick links: getting started, system overview, recent item. You have to create app. What you can do, build inside, create. Okay, customize, create means inside build means you are playing with the organization system. You are creating a new thing. So as you are creating a new application, you have to create a new application. You will go and click on the apps, and then here you will see there are different ways to create application. We don't prefer a quick start, you can do, but the new will just give you the whole 5-step process where you can choose which kind of app you want. Like this is the custom app. Then you'll have to click next, and then you'll have to choose uh, what app you want. Like suppose invoice we were creating, or suppose something. Okay. Once you will go next, you see as a skill advancement, we have already created an app. This app is already existing, has been previously used. Please choose a different name. So we can use something. Why should not be there? Okay. Then we were getting error here. You see,
Mm.
when we were trying to insert an image here, we were getting error because we were not able. So here there were only this personal documents. Okay. So in
Okay,
the personal,
Rajat here, why I'm getting only my personal documents, not with logo here?
have you
This option is
created? Do
okay. I
you have
need to create
created?
it.
Yes,
No, I
yes.
haven't created. Okay,
So
got
the
it.
personal documents will be there already.
Okay.
So in our personal documents, you can, if there is any document in the personal document which is less than 20K or less than that, then that
That
you can select.
sure.
But if it is not there, you'll not be able to. Just we saw, right? Inside logo we created. So how we created? To create it, what we did here,
We
we
go
opened this into
new
new
tab.
window so that we don't close it. We just place it here. Inside this, we
Okay.
went to documents. Okay. And inside documents, here we created a new folder. So we had already this personal document. We created a new folder. And inside that folder, we are having two logo. One is not working because it is more than 40, around
20,
40
20,
KB.
yeah, 40.
Yeah. So this one we created. And after creating it, as we have assigned this to this logo, okay. So whenever we are searching that, insert searching in that logo folder, it is coming. So after that, we can just select and we can go next. And after going next, we have to uh, choose in our application, like this is our application, what all tabs we want to show. Okay. So on that, we selected couple of other application which we want in some order, and it is how it is showing. Then yeah, that's what how we made it. So I
Okay.
will just share it with you guys. So you practice it, create one application, and see what other possibilities we can do with while creating the application. And there is any question, we'll just connect tomorrow.
Okay. Rajat bhaiya, but here I can't see that document. Oh, I mean, I can open with that
Yeah.
adding a
Can you
new tab.
share? Yeah. Can you share your screen, Ram?
Just see, I'm on this page, but I can't see that new tab where I can go.
Yeah. No, 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 not from here. So
So creating a
what?
document after that, this one, I mean, for
No,
logo.
no. Okay, so we were creating documents into. So you are into. Are you into lightning? It's better in lightning. No, 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 no. You are here
No.
only. Okay, so actually you have went to third step, right?
Yeah.
So what you can do is,
No, I mean, before inserting an image, documents need to be created, that logo document.
yeah, can
But
you
it,
just on the top you have this click, no, click that cancel button onto this. This it's better in lightning, no? Just cancel that. Okay, so okay, back to sample console. So you are into console app only. Go to why you are go to sales from here, yeah. Now you have these, right? Now in the sales,
yeah, now
now
I
you
can.
go to setup. Yeah, from here you can go. You can go to document. No need. You can from here also you can go to documents. So now if you are into setup, you are still seeing those tabs, right?
Yeah, now I can see these tabs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So just create. If there will be any question, maybe we will just take it tomorrow. Okay. But you just try, okay? Just create
Hmm.
an app because we'll just go along with the courses. No, it may be difficult. So just create it and then tomorrow we'll see if there is anything.
Sure.
And Pradeep, you also try to figure out why that is not working. Maybe you just update your Teams or your Windows.
I will
So
do that.
maybe it can just fix the issue. Or you try to restart the system.
It's already done. Microsoft license failure, it's saying. So
Oh, okay, 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 okay. So that is the reason. So can you take it from your office laptop? You cannot take this call from office laptop.
No, we can take.
Can you try to do that better?
Wait, I'll take.
So here you are into personal documents. So you will have to create a new folder, Rahul. Create new
Yeah.
folder. If you want, you can create a new folder. Otherwise, you can create a new document only.
Okay.
You'll have to create a new folder and you'll have to choose what all name you want and whether this folder should be hidden or accessible. This is creating a folder on your Salesforce, nothing else.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so I will just share this video and you guys just practice. And tomorrow we will connect on the same topic. We'll start.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, thank you, Rahul. Thank you,
Thanks,
Pradeep.
Jagdeep.